guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials. And today we are going to do brown smoky eyes. I love smoky eyes, but when it's brown, I love it more. I don't know the reason that why I like the brown one more, but I just like it. But when I do black, I like that as well. So anyways, I am going to show you how to achieve a very beautiful gradient brown smoky eyes in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. So honestly speaking, my color corrector has gone missing. That's why I'm trying to use Satin Soft Orange Pop Twist Up Matte Lips from Dora. And around my mouth. I look dangerous. Blending it with a wet beauty blender. This is showing pink. It's showing orange here. What's wrong? Yeah, so I am taking my foundation now and using the Essence foundation in the shade Soft Sand and Soft Cream. I am going to apply it all over my face. Girl, you should apply foundation on your lips. Trust me. You would be finding it a little light, but it's gonna oxidize and we are going to get a beautiful shade at the end. Moving on, I am using the concealer from MAC and a little bit of Essence concealer as well to brighten up my under eye. Blending everything with the beauty blender. I'm now going to go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick in the shade Earth to contour my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and blend it again with the beauty blender. Blend, baby, blend. Now we move to the powdering, and for that I'm using the Laura Mercier powder, and I am carving out my cheekbones as well. Now it's time to prime our eyes. Priming it with Pro Concealer and blending it with the beauty blender. Setting this entire scenario with the MAC Studio Fix. We are going to use the MORPHE palette. This is 35W palette. So the first shade which I am going to use is going to be this and this. The mixture of that and blending it right away. So now once this is blended, I am going to go right here, a little bit more deeper. Smaller brush, and we are going to dip in the shades right here and here. And I will be concentrating a little bit lower, not too higher. Try blending as much as possible to achieve a best looking smoky brown eye. Shades right here. I'm going to take a little bit more precise brush and I'm going to place it right where my crease is there. And once this is blended, we are going to take a flat brush and going to dig in the darkest brown shade in the palette. And I'm going to try to blend this with the same pencil brush, and using the same dark color I'm going to line my under eye as well, and I'm going to smudge it with the same color which I had used here for my transition. So I'll just put on some lashes and be right back. So I'm back and I have done my cheekbones and blush as well because I was getting a little late. I hope that you understand. And now we are going to highlight. So you know, I want to experiment by using the Fenty Beauty Starbucks stick highlighter on the powder. Let's see how it works. So I did my eyeliner as well. This is not moving my powders at all. Strangely, it is not, and I'm liking it. Of course, who will not? So definitely I should go with a nude lip. So a brown lip liner. So I'm going to use Velvet Teddy by MAC and I'm going to apply it right. Wow, I like this. You know, I am so obsessed right now. I love this eye makeup. I don't know. Like, I was just going through Instagram and I was seeing this beautiful brown smoky eye, a matte brown smoky eye, and I wanted to do something like that, but I ended up putting a liner. But this liner is stealing the show. with the brown eyes. I loved this. So this is it, guys. I hope that you like my video. Please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. How do you like my look? And if you like, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe before you leave. Please, guys. I love you all. And I got a lipstick mark.